Senior Congress leader Anil Shastri, speaking to NNIS, said parties needed to project a combined force to defeat Narendra Modi. Anil Shastri said the question did not end on Narendra Modi. He said the larger problem was that Modi was an idea which needed to be ended. He said the ideology of the BJP PM candidate was the one which killed Mahatma Gandhi. It was the one which caused the 2002 Gujarat riots, he added. He said the idea which is now universal needs to be put to an end, and the only way this was possible was by defeating Narendra Modi by a united force of different parties.
Well, let me first of all clarify that it's not a question of Narendra Modi per se. It's a question of the ideology which he represents. He represents the same ideology which killed Mahatma Gandhi, and it is the same ideology which killed lots of people in Gujarat in 2002 and focusing people of one community. So it's the question of this ideology. And if Narendra Modi has decided to contest on another seat outside Gujarat, basically he wants to prove a point. And that point is that, well, this ideology is not only confined to Gujarat, it is all over. And if we want to prove him wrong, it is essential that this ideology gets defeated, and that's only possible if Narendra Modi is defeated, and Narendra Modi can be defeated only if some parties come together.
Anil Shastri said the BJP and the Congress have traditionally won the Varanasi seat.
Bahujan Samaj Party and Samajwadi Party, their candidates have never won a Lok Sabha seat from Varanasi. It's either been the BJP or the Congress. So I think it is it's not that difficult, because I read somewhere yesterday that he has indicated, Mr. Mulayam Singh Yadav, that he perhaps would not mind supporting Kejriwal. But then Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party are new. I mean, they have never tested the waters. Whereas we have our roots there already. And ideally, it should be one of these parties. But then this is something which has got to be decided. Rita Joshi, who is contesting against the BJP president Lucknow, she has also supported me. Our party spokesman clearly said that, well, in a wider perspective, this is all right, what Mr. Shastri has said, but we are going to put up a strong candidate.
This report was brought to you by NNIS.